Storm Industries.
Ladies and gentlemen, we move now to fight number 3 of the evening. Going to the cage first, from the blue corner, Jackson Standford!
Okay, so finally we're back, and Jackson Standford coming to the ring now at Kemp's MMA. Richard Kemp has been previously mentioned, an absolute legend of Canberra MMA. Going back, wars with significant fighters, early championships. Actually retired, I believe, on a championship win on the Storm Damage banner.
That is right. Took the belt, retired, now he's running a very powerful gym.
And now we see him as the coach of the tradition of Pat Miletich, one of the great MMA gyms in history. Ken Shamrock moving from the competitive scene into the coaching arena.
And tonight we've got two guys making their fight debut here at the MMA Centre in Canberra, Storm Damage. Final check from the doctor and the teams they set up.
Okay, so stepping in the cage right now, Jackson Standford in the red trunks.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, going to the cage opponent, from the red corner, Jackson the
Oh, hello, bit of local support here for Jackson the Don Donnelly, and not surprising, coming out of Storm MMA Hume, the local crowd right behind. That's it's the Storm MMA train, a big team coming out to support their man. We're booked for three-minute rounds here, ladies and gentlemen. Lightweight bout, 70 kilos. Kemp's MMA versus Storm MMA. Bit of a historical but friendly grudge match, I would call it, Ben. What would you say?
Yeah, exactly. The friendly rivalry, but they're both going to come out winning with the win. Might be friendly, but it's still a rivalry.
Hey, look, it's friendly, but sometimes they're the ones you want the most. It's bragging rights.
And it's a huge team coming out past Storm's corner here.
Now, the interesting thing with the Storm guys is they've all got jiu-jitsu, but they're known for banging. Pretty rare they're going to go to the ground unless it's forced there. Because these are guys that like to stand and bang, am I right? That said, come up against Chem MMA, I don't think you'll have too much argument.
Both fighters looking in great condition.
And here we have the Don, Jackson Donnelly. Looks relaxed.
Ladies and gentlemen, 3 rounds in the lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a striker. He stands 6 feet 1 inch tall and weighing in at 69.2 kilos. Fighting out of Kemp's MMA in Nowra, New South Wales, Jackson Standford. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a striker. He stands 6 feet 1 inch tall and weighing in at 68.8 kilos. Fighting out of Storm MMA in Hume, ACT, Jackson the third man in the cage for referee is Paul Donnelly.
How relaxed are these two coming out? Too cool for school. Let's see how it goes down. Oh, and a big right hand straight
Sharp
away.
hands and legs straight away. Oh, big right again. That turned his head.
And the Don is swinging for the fences and a big shot. Big right hand and he's following up. This could be all there is, Ben.
Standford's recovering well, but he's got to find a place to sort of get his head back in rear. You can see he's still shaky. And another big right. You can't eat too many more of those.
Well, Donnelly's not mucking around here at all. He's throwing every single of these one like an absolute Susie Q down the middle. Big power.
Oh, and that's a nice sharp hook there from the
Big time. There's a lot of power. This is over.
That's it.
Vaughan has come in. Vaughan Duncan with the early stop. And this is all over. A huge win. An absolutely dominant win for Jackson the Don Donnelly. Impressive stuff.
Very sharp hands. Very, very sharp hands. That was super impressive. Paul Standford never got a look in.
We're talking short, sharp punches right down the pocket, man. Nothing wide and looping. Really impressive technique.
Super, super tight. Not too often that you see that level of striking at this level of MMA. We were saying earlier, the standards keep getting higher.
And I tell you what, when he saw he had him hurt, he poured it on. He poured it on, but he did it in a way absolutely surgical. And that's an impressive win, absolutely. Jackson Standford, well, not your day, not his day, but I'm sure we'll see him back again. Kev's made an absolutely fantastic gym. But what a win. First round, TKO victory. Stopped by Vaughan Duncan early in the first. I'll tell you what, you can see into Brett Zimmer.
Here we go to the MC.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee Vaughan Duncan has put a stop to this contest at 52 seconds of the very first round, declaring your winner by 2 KO from the red corner, Jackson the Don Donnelly.
Storm Industries.